This is a recorded message from your friendly neighborhood organelles are us.
Hello everyone, this is Jimmy. Say hi, Jimmy. Jimmy's going to buy some organelles from your friendly neighborhood organelles are us. Let's take a look.
This organelle is chloroplast, or a plant's way of turning the sun's energy into sugar for itself.
This is Jimmy's friend, Mr. Tree. Mr. Tree gives too much. Mr. Tree accidentally gave away his chloroplast. Now to keep Mr. Tree alive, Jimmy needs to buy some more. Since Jimmy's already buying from Mr. Tree, we recommend you get vacuoles and a comfy cell wall to hold your newfound organelles for that Mr. Tree.
Mister, what's that?
Now Mr. Tree is done, let's take a look inside Jimmy to see how much organelles he needs. Oh dear. Looks like Jimmy has no organelles in his system. Let's hope Jimmy got his allowance this week. You see, if Jimmy doesn't get his organelles, he's going to end up like Mr. Sad. But if he does, he'll end up like Mr. Happy.
But with so many organelles, where should we start? How about at the nucleus? The nucleus is a membrane-enclosed organelle found in eukaryotes, and contains most of the cell's genetic material, DNA. This brain of the cell also regulates all cell activity going on like a traffic signal. Inside is the nucleolus, the central location for producing ribosomes, and contains chromosomes. Also regulates the function and takes care of the dealing of proteins.
Like everything else, these organelles do make waste. No, not there.
That's better. Lysomes break down complex proteins into smaller compounds to be digested.
That's the spirit, Jimmy.
Like you and I, cells have to move, but cells don't have legs. That's where the flagellum comes in, an S-shaped tail organelle made of microtubes that let a cell move.
Can I give it to Mr. Tree?
Sorry, Jim, but plants don't need these.
Here we have the cytoskeleton, which is found in both plants and animals, which are used as roads for organelles. Now that cytoskeleton doesn't work alone, it has cytoplasm to aid in the movement. The centriole determines the position of the nucleus and plays a crucial role in the spacing of the organelle. Next is the chromosome, which contains genes to act as a blueprint or set of instructions for the cell. Next is the ED, which facilitate protein folding and transport them when they're synthesized. Who can forget ribosomes, who translate mRNA into polypeptides during protein synthesis? Or the GA, who is integral in modifying, sorting, and packaging macromolecules. Next is the mitochondria, which provides energy for the cell in order to move and divide.
Now without a mitochondria, you might end up like Mr. Lazy over here. Too lazy to do his work. Doesn't have enough energy to do anything but play video games. So, you can either be like him, or get some mitochondria. Be like Mr. Active.
Gee, mister, I have no money. How am I supposed to pay for all of this?
Don't worry, Jimmy. We're not gonna let you shell out all that money. We're gonna give you this deal for the jolly Halloween season. Buy 3 and get 2 half off.
Please note studies have shown a life without organelles can result in death and death-related symptoms. Please be responsible and do not drive without organelles.